wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best cat arch groomers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, a lightweight model that's less than a foot tall. The perktail back scratcher has short teeth that won't run too deep and irritate your pet's skin. When disassembled, its hexagonal base and 2-piece plastic brush are slim and easy to store. The base is made from spongy felt and it's easy to snap together, but it can slide around. At number 8, the durable plastic platform that props up the ione massaging brush is only a little over a foot at its widest, so it won't take up very much floor space. It's covered with a low-pile carpet that's comfortable for cats to rest on. The brush is securely fastened to the base and it can be disassembled for storage. However, it is lightweight, so it moves around a bit. Coming in at number 7 on our list, while the Ware manufacturing brush and scratch has a substantial 14 by 14 inch base that'll keep it from tipping over. It weighs only a pound, so it might slide around a bit when in use. The nylon bristles are tightly packed for picking up as much fur as possible. It's upholstered with thick carpeting, but the brush is somewhat wobbly and assembly can be difficult. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Cat Arch Groomers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the brush on the Fukumaru pet fur pad is not too tall, making it easy for cats to scratch their chins and remove loose hair from more difficult to lick spots like their lower backs. The sides are decorated with an animal print. The base is also a cardboard scratcher, and the long bristles can grab deeply buried fur. However, the brush is easily dislodged. Moving up our list to number 5. The versatile cathole cleaning door can keep a litter box hidden and remove fur. Its versatile design allows you to install it in walls, doors, and more. It comes with all the hardware, but it's not the best choice for large cats, and it does require cutting a hole. At number 4, more than just a place to brush off excess fur, the peekab tower tree has a 19.5 inch tall perch for cats to relax upon. Note that this model is built with small pets in mind, so it's not a good pick for cats over 12 pounds. It includes soft carpet on the bed and base and a feather-tipped ball toy. It's easy to assemble. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, a little over a foot tall and wide, the aikopets scratch pad has stiff black bristles that are comfortably flexible, but still sturdy enough to remove fur. The base is upholstered with carpet and the brush comes off for easy cleaning. It has rubber pads on the bottom for traction. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Cat Arch Groomers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the oval base on the petstages lounge is made from corrugated cardboard to give your pet somewhere to do some healthy scratching. The brush has a twisted wire core capped with rubber tips on both ends. It's infused with catnip and sports a triangle patterned trim. It's relatively inexpensive. And taking the top spot on our list, covered with the sort of shaggy upholstery cats like to lie on, the Furhaven Tiger Tuff includes 2 sisal-wrapped scratching posts, a hanging hammock bed, and a dangling ball toy. At a little under 16 inches on each side, it should be able to fit in most places. The bristles are soft yet strong, and it comes in either cream or grey, with a 90-day guarantee against defects. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Cat Arch Groomers, or simply click beneath this video.